Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing good during this RMCO. Alright, today we're going to talk about how to save thread bangles. Yeah, okay, most of my customers actually when they come to me they said no thread bangles, because why? It is like causing damage frequently and we gotta throw it. No, actually you can save it. Yeah. So what is the condition? The damaged bangles condition is like this. Can you see all the threads coming off? Yeah. So today actually I'm going to show you how to actually fix it by yourself, and if you're unable to do it by yourself, you can actually bring it to our outlet and we can help you to fix it. All right, so now let's see how to get it done. For example, this is the thread bangle which you destroyed because of excessive water touching your bangle, probably during your hand wash and so on. So I'm going to actually teach you how to get it done. All you need to do is roll back the same thread. Yeah, okay, and I have this glue here. This glue actually used to make this thread bangles. This is the glue they use to make thread bangles or earrings. All right, so we are actually fixing it with the same glue. Can you see it? Okay, I hope this is clear. Can you see the damage here? All right, all you need to do is pull it tight. Okay, a bit of glue. See that? It's all fixed. Okay, as good as new. So you can actually get this glue from our outlet. All right, so till I see you again for the next tips. Bye.